sacrifice an amount of their freedom and submit to the higher authority. It is an agreement where individuals sacrifice an amount of their freedom and submit to the higher authority. For number 12, you're going to complete the statement. Right? The statement says society is founded on the concept of the block. Society is founded on the concept of the block. May society, ano ang purpose of society na founded na society? Ano konsepto nga sa foundation of the society?